Seymour in the West. My name is Chris Meany. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing with abco Products. We're a new vendor to McDonald's. We're actually introducing a program that we've designed for cleaner, safer floors for everyday cleaning in terms of store-level performance. What we've introduced at store level is a program designed for cleaner, safer floors on some very basic techniques using some tools that are proprietary to McDonald's and abco. What we've done is we've looked at the problem. The problem that we see at store level is they're cleaning the floors with buckets that have dirty, greasy water. So we had to find a way to solve the problem and how we could have cleaner, safer floors. The first design we put into place, we looked at a bucket with a divider. The divider separates clean and dirty water. So whoever does the team cleaning at store level, when they wring out that mop, that grease and oil will go into the back cavity, and they're using a pressure solution on the floor. The benefit to McDonald's and to the customer is you have a visually cleaner looking floor and you have a safer floor. The reason being is you're not spreading that grease and oil on the floor. Part of our goal with McDonald's is we want to reduce lost cleans for slip, tip, and fall, which we know can get very expensive both for your customers and for your employees. To complement the bucket design, we've also introduced a patented technology called grease feeder, which is a mop. The mop is designed to release grease and oil. So when you look at mops right now being used at a store, you're using a conventional mop that you're probably replacing every 7 days. The reason why you're replacing it so quickly is mops are designed to absorb grease, but they don't release it. So after 3 or 4 days, that mop you just bought's pretty useless, so they're spreading it back on the floor. If you look at the video, we actually have a patented technology that the grease will actually come off the mop fiber. The benefit is they're not putting it back on the floor. The end result from a safety standpoint is because you're not putting the grease back on the floor, what's happening is you're improving the friction of the floor. It's feeling less slippery. Have you ever walked into the store and you caught yourself where you kind of slip, or one of your employees in the kitchen or a customer and you say, go spot clean that floor? That's because it's very unsafe, because it's really slippery because of the debris and grease they put on the floor. So when they wring out the mop in the bucket, in the wringer, it's actually wringing that grease out of the mop itself. From a spend standpoint, the mop's going to last 5 to 6 weeks. We proved it in 2 test markets in California and in Kentucky, compared to 7 to 10 days. The benefit to you is we're saying it's cleaner, the floors are cleaner, the floors are safer, the mops are going to last longer, and we're going to reduce your claims for slip, tip, and fall. So we positioned it as a safety solution versus a commodity cleaning program. The other benefit is everything we have is color-coded and interchangeable. So when you look at the tool design itself, we look at some bristle material that, for instance, on the scrub brush, we have side bristles for cleaning the cove molding of the store. We have a thread design that actually will go over an external thread that actually makes it more durable, because a lot of times handles will break right here. The other benefit is if they catch product on equipment, if you catch a squeegee or a brush on a piece of equipment, it usually breaks. This won't break, it'll actually bend and recover. We're using a softer moss squeegee, closed foam cell squeegee that will actually push. It's flexible, so you're not going to get that shadowing or chattering when they're pushing the solution across the floor. The other benefit is because it's interchangeable, and eventually you're going to have to throw this mop away, is step, twist, and throw it away. But from a spend standpoint, we're going to reduce the amount of money you're spending for cleaning tools because the mops are going to last longer. But the overall benefit from a safety standpoint is reducing conditions for slip, tip, and fall. The program is color-coded, so we have red for hot. Red's in the kitchen. So we have a color-coded system where we have the down press wringer, divided bucket. You get 4 mops total, 2 red. You get 2 handles, a deck brush, and a squeegee for the kitchen. You get blue because we're HACCP compliant for the dining area, which is cold, so you'd have the bucket and wringer in blue, the 2 mops, the squeegee, and the deck scrub as well. So it's part of a rollout kit package. We've positioned it with Frontline as part of a safety solution. So there's a kit number there, and then the replenishment as well. It's only available through Spend Smart and also with Frontline, so you can call the number.